Ukan rat ke sang mau bade umitrang ba ka jalau lo ong ba ka jing ai jing manjur ya ka mining lease cha ki saungut dak sorkar India na ka liang jong ka jala manta ka laweng ya ka jingeh na ka manta ka jingpenia chakmat na ka manta ka scientific mining. Habai kran mat gilap thai kubor ukan rat ke sang mau la pun pau ba ka sorkar ka hab ban le ka public hearing forest clearance mining plan bat kwei de na ka banta ban ai ka jing manjur bat onla ban pendep haki laipo ne sausan singi.
Yeah, so basically, this is a meeting that was was held between CMPDI and our Department of Forest and Mining, and the main objective is to work towards a plan for the reclamation of the mines. So whether it is minor minerals or major minerals, as you're aware that we have been working and there is a fund available with us for reclamation of the mines, and hence this is a process which we want to start, and we have been engaging with many agencies, but now CMPDI, which is a very experienced agency, and the Government of India agency is an agency which has vast experience in all these aspects. So we had a detailed meeting with them, and we are working towards how we should move forward for this entire issue of land reclamation.
So yesterday you had mentioned that the scientific coal mining will start within 60 days. So
No, it's like this. The process of ensuring that we have the scientific mining to start as per the guidelines of the Government of India. So we're supposed to also we're supposed to have the prospecting part done, then geological surveys done. After that, the mining lease is then given to the respective miners, and that is actually the most critical part. So Government of India has to approve the mining lease. Once the mining leases are done, then the mining plan, of course, then has to be put in place. But those are more formalities which will happen, and also the entire plan for the forest clearance, and also the public hearing will take place. So these are only procedural aspects. The main hurdle for the process of scientific mining, or mining to start in a scientific manner, was the mining lease. And I'm happy to inform all of you that about a week, 10 days back, Government of India has approved the mining lease to be given to 4 miners. So hence we have overcome the largest hurdle that we had for the process of scientific mining and legal mining, as we would call it, to start in the state. And therefore now, once we have the public hearing and the forest clearance and the mining plan approved, which are just procedural aspects, which we expect that in anything between 30 days to 45 days these approvals will be done, then the green signal for starting off scientific mining is through. And hence this is a major step where we will finally see that we will move towards the aspect of scientific mining. Of course, the actual implementation will have to be done then by the respective miners on the technology to be implemented as per the mining plan. But my point is that from that moment, so the moment the lease was given, that is a very important step, because after that, now as I said, we have crossed the most difficult hurdle, and now we are on our way to see the process of scientific and legal mining starting in our state.